And there's no aspect, no facet, no moment of life that can't be improved with pizza. Thank you.
Please excuse my eyebrows. I know there's like barely an inch between them. It's so weird. I don't know how or why or when. But I'm going to start off this look. So the first eyeshadow that I'm going to use is called Saddle by MAC. It is a very popular transition shade. I personally used to love this. In fact, you can tell, if you looked in my palette, you could tell how much I loved it because I literally hit pan. And I'm basically just going to blend this into my crease as my transition shade. Transition shade. For my next eyeshadow, I'm going to take the shade Cake from my Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass eyeshadow palette. I have never ever touched this palette. My sister actually bought it and gave it to me, and I literally just swatched this color, so I was like, let me try this out. So what I'm going to do with this eyeshadow is basically just putting it in my crease exactly where the transition shade is. I feel like I can always count on Urban Decay eyeshadows to just work. I don't think I've ever had an issue with an eyeshadow from Urban Decay. And I'm just tapping that in the crease where I plan to put it. And of course I'm going to blend it out. But for now I'm packing it on so that I don't lose that pigmentation. So next I'm going to take the eyeshadow called Embark. This is also from MAC. And I'm going to put it on my outer corner right here. And just bring it on in. Now the reason why I chose this eyeshadow is because it's a cool toned brown. It almost looks purple to me whenever I use it. And so I figured it would really complement that purplish pink that I have going on right there. So I'm just going to bring this forward into my crease like that. And of course blend it out. I promise you guys, black makes everything better, okay? This whole look is coming together now. So I'm going to take the color WHIZ from my Morphe 3502 palette. It's just a matte black eyeshadow. And I'm going to put it on the outer third of my eye and blend it into my crease in the same shape that I was blending the browns and purples into. Okay, so for my lid, I'm going to use this eyeshadow by ColourPop. It is called Mooning. And I'm going to take my ring finger, dip it into the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to rub it across my lid. I honestly feel like this is probably the most random tutorial I've ever done, but it is Monday, so I know ColourPop says to apply their eyeshadows with your finger, but sometimes I feel like it just doesn't do it justice. I'm gonna go over that with this eyeshadow from MELANI. It's called Bella Bronze, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger to pat it on top of the ColourPop eyeshadow. It's like I already got my fingers dirty anyway, might as well. Okay, I actually like that. I actually like that way better. Yeah. I'm kind of disappointed in that eyeshadow though. It looks really pretty when I first applied the ColourPop eyeshadow, but it almost faded like right before my eyes, and that's just weird. It lost its luster super quick. So for my lower lash line, I'm just going to add some black eyeliner and reflect the eyeshadows that are in my crease on my lower lash line. I'm not going to do every single last eyeshadow, but I am going to do the black and the purple that I used from the Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. And then I'm just going to take that same eyeshadow from MELANI called Bella Bronze, and I'm going to put it on the lower part of my inner corner. And I'm just going to take this really, really pretty crushed metallic pigment from MAC called Femininity, and I'm going to put it in my inner corners because it's super pretty. And I think this look deserves a pop, so we're just going to give it to him. And that is super duper reflective, and I love it. So I'm just going to blend it out. I like to have a bit of a seamless look when it comes to my inner corners, because sometimes people will put it and there's just like a little dot, which, I mean, that's fine if that's what you like to do, but I feel like it really closes off the corner of the eye when it's not blown out enough. And it doesn't have to be as huge as mine, but when it's not blended out, it just looks tiny to me. I don't know. So now I'm going to put on some eyelashes. I'm going to be using my THRIVECAUSEMETICS Infinity Waterproof Eyelash Adhesive, and I'm going to wear the E2 lashes from AliExpress that I bought. I've been wearing, I think I have 4 pairs of lashes from that, whoever sells them, and I really like them. They're really easy to put on. I've been linking them in the description of my videos. For those of y'all who are interested, they're literally $3. $3. I don't know why, but here lately, I feel like my eyelashes have been playing me. Like they don't want me to succeed, and I don't understand why. For my mascara, I'm going to use HYPNOSE Drama from LANCOME. I try to use up my samples because I'm like, even a little bottle of name brand product is really valuable, you know, so I don't, unless it just doesn't work for me, I hate wasting makeup. And even then, I'll give it to somebody. Now that that is on, I just need to figure out what color lipstick I'm going to wear. I kind of want to wear something muted and neutral, but at the same time, I feel like I should put something popping on. That might be a little too neutral. So first I'm going to put on this liner from NYX called Espresso. I believe this is an eyeliner, but it's going on my lips, so that's all that matters. I'm going to wear the liquid lipstick from Makeup for Melanin Girls called Naked. Love this lipstick. It is so beautiful. It's actually one of my favorite nudes since it's been released. Okay, so that turned out way better than I thought it would. This is the final look. I really was not aiming for this today. I honestly just sat down and started doing my makeup. But I think after putting everything together, it does look really, really good. So I'm happy about that because I got somewhere to go and I don't want to be looking cuckoo. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. You can be cute. You can say what you were thinking, blah, 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 you know. And then don't forget to share my channel with other people that you love and care about because, you know, recommendations never hurt, sis. So I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And don't forget to watch the next video because the next video is another one that you know you want to see and you can learn something from. So, don't forget to watch. Bye, y'all.